Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 406 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have a very exciting new product to try out. This is the Smashbox Crystalized Always On Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in collaboration with The Hood Witch. And I just got this in the mail from ULTA. I ordered it on the website and it cost $24. It comes in 6 shades and it was really hard for me to decide what shade to get, but I went with shade 1, Rhodonite. I can't pronounce anything, but you get the gist of it. It's Rhodonite Stand. Well, it'll probably be better if I just show you what shade it is. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeous packaging. I don't think I've ever seen any packaging this gorgeous because of this like crystal type of lid. But so this is the shade here. Let me just go ahead and swatch it. I can't even wait to see how this is. Oh, and it's got like a rounded tip doe foot applicator. It applies very liquidy. And here is the swatch. It does have glitter to it. So it looks like it has gold, purple glitter pieces in it. And it kind of got a metallic sheen as well. I'm not blown away by it right now, but we'll see how it actually looks when I apply it to my eyes. But I want to read a little bit more about this product. It says, get a crystal gaze that lasts all day. This long-wearing liquid eyeshadow glides on brilliant and comfortable multi-dimensional shimmer inspired by Rhodonite. 12-hour wear that won't crease, flake, or smudge. One swipe color sets to an even lightweight finish. All right, so did it dry down? Oh yeah, it did dry down, but it's smudgy and it transferred to my finger. But wow, this does have really pretty glitter to it. As it hits the light, you can see the gold and the pink reflection to the kind of orange, burnt orange shade. But yeah, I've just been really into liquid eyeshadows lately. I find them so beautiful, fun to apply, and they last really well on my eyes usually. So I was really excited when I saw this come out. Now let's just go ahead and see how it applies, how it looks on my eye. So typically if I were to incorporate a product like this into my eye look, I would incorporate some other colors. I would do a crease shade before just going in, but for review purposes, I'm going to skip all of that. I also am going to skip the eye primer today because, you know what? Actually, why don't I just go ahead and prime one of my eyes and then I'll apply this to both eyes and we'll see if there's a difference with the primer. So I am of course going to go in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And if you want to see my review on this product, I will link that video down below. But this is such a great eyeshadow primer. It's one of my go-tos. Okay, so I am going to just go ahead and apply it all over the eyelid. And I like that you can apply it right with the doe foot applicator, but you can also blend it in with a brush or your finger. So let's try blending it out with my finger. That's usually my favorite technique. Ooh yeah, it's looking so glittery on my eyelid. And yeah, you can see as I'm blending it out with my finger, it does kind of sheer it out. And then it just kind of looks like beautiful glitter all over my eyelid, versus if I just applied it with the doe foot applicator and then didn't blend it out, it could be much more of a pigmented, more solid color. So I'm just going to start out by doing a sheer layer. And now this eyelid does not have the primer on it. I do like using my finger though. I think this technique is working really well. But if you have long nails or something, you could definitely use a brush. Oh wow. Now that I'm applying this to my eyelids, I like it so much more than when I just swatched it. I think that this color, when I first swatched it, I was like, I don't know how much I'm gonna like that, but on my eyelids, I really like it. This is a color that I like to wear, and I feel like it looks pretty good with my skin tone, my eye color, but it's also a very versatile shade that I think would look beautiful on so many different skin colors, eye colors, and that reflection, the multicolor dimension to it really helps with that. Wow. Yeah, so easy to blend out. It's dried down very comfortably, and then I just want to show the difference. So this eye, I must have applied more because it's much more of a solid orange with that glitter, and then this, if you wanted to just go in with a light layer, you can get basically sheer color but leave that glitter. So both ways of wearing it I really like. So it's cool that it's versatile. You can really play up different looks, but to make them match and then and so that I can judge the creasing and the difference with the primer, I'm going to go in with a little bit more on this eye so that I have the same amount of product on both of my eyelids. And this color combination, the burnt orange shade with gold and pink purple glitter, is so unique. I don't own any colors that are similar like this, and I also don't know of any other eyeshadows that are even out there that look like this. So it's a really cool collection. I am so impressed right now. I just can't stop looking in the mirror at my eyes. They are so glittery and they look glossy too because of that glitter and that shine, but they don't feel glossy at all. And the glitter feels totally comfortable on my eyelids as well. It doesn't even feel like there's anything on my eye, so it's very comfortable. Now let me zoom in so you can really see and if there's a difference. No primer with the primer. Let's see. And that's the thing about these liquid eyeshadows, you're not really going to see a difference in the amount of pigment and like how much the color appears when you use a primer versus no primer. So I think that the color for both eyelids looks exactly the same. Now let's see if there is creasing. So the eyelid with the primer, no creasing, even though I have lots of creases in my eyelids. And then the eye without the primer looks exactly the same, no creasing either. So that's really nice. You don't even have to worry about using an eye primer. And for me, someone that always uses an eye primer, I would even skip it with this product. I just feel like it's unnecessary and basically a waste of product because you don't even need it. So now I'm just curious, if I touch my eye, does it smudge? So yeah, there is some glitter transfer, but it's not smudging, it's not fading away, so it is pretty long lasting as well. I think it really would live up to that 12-hour claim. So yay, I'm so happy about this. This makes me want to try out more from this collection. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried anything from that collection or if there's anything that you're interested to try from it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that my giveaway for celebrating 2,000 subscribers is still open until March 17th, so I will link in the description box down below how to enter. It's very easy, so I hope that you will enter. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.